Thanks, Danica. Let's check in with Timmy, who has the latest on our weather.
I do, Sarah. Thank you very much. While you are all very excited about Danica's assignment, I'm pretty happy with mine this morning as well. I've come into the library here at St Peter Chanel at the Gap in Brisbane. The primary students here, Year 4, have been working really hard and they've all become little pilots. 3, 2, 1, rise up on a Monday morning. Look at these little drones getting up this morning. Going to get a haircut here in a minute or lose an eye. They are flying them here in the library as part of their studies. I'll tell you why. Legitimately, they're not reading books, but flying drones in here, right after we take a look at that forecast for you across Australia today.
Today's weather brought to you by the Great Value Coffee at Ready Express. Ready for whatever you're ready for.
A shower or two, 29 degrees for Cairns. Here in Brisbane, partly cloudy and 25. Sydney, a beautiful summer's day almost, 28 and fine. Canberra, a possible morning storm around some showers and 22. Melbourne, a shower or two, a top of 20 for you. Hobart, showers increasing 18. Adelaide, cloud clearing, a top of 20. Perth, a shower or two, 16. 33 degrees for Alice Springs today, a possible storm. And Darwin, partly cloudy and 34 degrees. Libraries are usually very quiet places. Not here at St Peter Chanel this morning at 20 to 7 in the morning. I'm very happy to say Mrs Willis, Catherine, joins me here, the acting assistant principal, as another drone goes up in front of us. Catherine, why are students flying drones in your library?
They're developing that really important skill set for our design and digital technology team, and taking all those skills through to the Year 6, where they are preparing for the STEM Mad Showcase.
This is fascinating stuff. These kids living in a modern world, not only are they having a good time and learning how to play with these drones, fly them, operate them, rebuild them as well using the 3D printer that we saw half an hour ago upstairs, but as you said, the Year 6 students, putting this really into practice about how these drones can make a huge difference.
Yeah, one of our teams has actually developed the Moo Moo monitor, so they will be monitoring cattle health and just helping people in those remote communities and farmers.
It is remarkable stuff. Well done, Catherine. Can I talk to Jack and James here? Boys, tell us, how long have you been flying a drone?
I've been doing it for a few years because I got a drone a little while ago. And
okay, so you're an expert pilot. James, is it hard to control?
Sort of. It sometimes goes in directions you don't want it to go because of the Wi-Fi interface.
Have you given anyone a haircut in here?
Yeah.
You've come close though. And as I said, guys, they use the 3D printer upstairs. When they crash and break them, they basically rebuild them. Very, very cool. Well done, guys. I'm going to escape this library with all eyes, fingers, toes, everything intact. Hopefully, we'll see you with another check of the forecast. No promises. There we go. See you in half an hour.
Well, life's
Very
like
clever.
a drone sometimes. You know, you never know which direction it's going to head.
It's true, or when it's going to crash.
Very clever kids. Oh, whoa. Hey, you
Took
okay?
a dark turn, didn't it?
Oh, it's all about finals for you, isn't it?
That's all right. I'm just, we've got a week off.